Hello and welcome back to this series of videos. We're talking about Centrify Server Suite 2016. In this video, we're going to talk about Centrify Reporting Services. This is a SQL Server Reporting Services based capability that is designed to enhance the existing reporting capabilities with Centrify. So Centrify has always provided the ability for people to attest who has access to what. It could be as simple as, right-clicking on a computer. In this case, a Unix computer. You can do a show effective user rights. You can highlight a user. You can see the Unix identity, the roles the user has assigned, what kind of access they have in this case of a Unix machine, what commands they can run, and certain SSH rights. You could do the same thing also with Windows machines, right? So if you're using Direct Authorize for Windows and you wanted to know if they have any privilege, what roles they have assigned, what privileged desktops they have, what applications they have, and what kind of network access they have, you've been able to do that. Before we had the report center, and I'll explain where it went. It actually is not here. And you also have PowerShell to generate your reports as well. But what all those methods have in common is that they rely on LDAP to request information against AD. This is not scalable. So what Centrify has provided is the ability to offload the information on a configurable interval to a SQL Server reporting database. You have the ability to set up a simple account, service account. All it needs is the ability to replicate data from Active Directory to here, and obviously the ability to run as a service. And you have all that data is going to be stored on a SQL Server Reporting-services database. That first increases productivity because many of you infrastructure folks have this problem. Whenever the security or auditor comes to your cube, you have to drop everything you're doing to make sure that you get them those reports. Now they can subscribe. And there's several subscriptions with SQL Server. You can have a file server subscription. You can deposit the reports there daily if they want to, or they can actually get them through email. So that's going to be a gain for you. Another is you have the old Access Manager reports. All the older reports here are going to be available to you. You have the ability to limit all those, and you have the ability to brand them as well. But what I'm more excited about is the attestation reports. These reports provide information that is relevant to you. Like, for example, if I wanted to see the SOX right by user, this is going to generate a report that includes all my users with all the rights that they have, right? And not only that, it provides a nice and neat summary view that shows you, for example, who has the most rights in your organization. And they are by category. So you have the ability also to modify them. So notice in here that I can see the users with most privileged access, the computer roles for most privileged access as well. And if I go to the detail of the report, I can just scroll down and notice that this report has many pages because I have a lot of users in this environment. So, and notice that I can see, what kind of computer, what roles they have, what commands they can run, right? What is the application, and a summary view as well. This opens a lot of opportunities for organizations to use, reporting solutions like Business Objects, Tableau, and the views have been documented by Centrify as well. So we're hoping that this increases productivity, and we're building on this solution to provide more reports as well.